If you've forgotten your password for Internxt or need to reset it for security reasons, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Internxt login page. Go to the official Internxt website and navigate to the login page where you usually enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Look for the Forgot Password link on the login page. Click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use ESER to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a password reset email from Internxt. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the instructions in the email. Open the email and click on the provided link. This will direct you to a page where you can create a new password. Follow the instructions to set your new password. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can log into your Internxt account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Internxt support for further assistance.